houses was burned down. They came to Akobo, there's no shelter, no food, so there's no support. If you guys are supporting us, please do it quick. We suffer enough. We are eating the leaves of this lalop. Yeah, on their way, this is what they're eating, even reaching here. Not that the community are not welcoming. The community are welcoming, but there are not enough resources.
She said that she needs help. She's suffering.
Please thank her for explaining the situation to me. Tell them that we're working hard to bring more support here. We will work for peace and we will try to bring the help.
They need peace.
We need peace.
Welcome to the heart of Africa, where culture meets creativity. Join us on Naath Global News, your ultimate channel for inspiring news and stories across the continent. From the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia, to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature, this is Africa Reimagined. Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge and pride, uniting Africa through stories and culture. Subscribe now to Naath Global News. Share Africa's culture with the world.